In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in your LinkedIn profile. If you want to make your profile more useful and professional, adding a website link is a great idea. It can help people quickly visit your portfolio, personal website, company page, or any other important online destination you want to share. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to your LinkedIn profile. You can do this by clicking your profile picture or by selecting the Me icon and then choosing View Profile. This will take you to the main public-facing version of your profile where you can manage your personal details and make updates. Once you're on your profile page, look for the pencil icon in your introduction section. This is usually near your name, headline, and top profile information. Click that pencil icon to open editing mode. This is where LinkedIn lets you update the main details that appear at the top of your profile. When the edit window opens, scroll down until you see the option for Edit Contact Info. Go ahead and click that. This section is important because website links are typically managed under your contact details rather than directly in the main profile summary area. If you've never changed this before, it may be easy to miss, so take a moment to scroll carefully. Inside the Contact Info area, continue scrolling until you find the Website section. There, click Add Website and then paste in the URL you want to include on your LinkedIn profile. Make sure the link is correct before moving on, especially if it leads to a business page, portfolio, or personal brand site. A clean and accurate URL helps visitors trust what they're clicking. After adding the link, you can customize how it appears. LinkedIn usually lets you choose a website type, or in some cases use a custom label. This is useful because instead of displaying a generic or unclear link, you can make it more readable and descriptive for profile visitors. Choose wording that clearly tells people what they'll find when they click. Once everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, your new link should appear in your profile's contact information section. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review your profile after saving just to confirm the link shows correctly and is easy to understand. A small update like this can make your profile look more complete and help people connect with your work more easily.